You have a president who doesn't care about you, it can make things worse. So I've been using the example during COVID. We had a whole plan before COVID had happened, when I was still president. We anticipated there was going to be a pandemic. We put together a whole playbook, big thick book. Here's what you do if there's a pandemic. We practiced it, had all our agencies practice it. Here's how you deal with the schools, here's how you deal with public health agencies to minimize the disruption. Now, whoever was president, COVID was going to be a dose. People were going to die, business was going to close. It was going to be a problem. It hadn't happened in 100 years. But Canada had a 60% lower death rate than America. 60%. 1 million people died in the United States. If we had done a better job, that's 600,000 people who might be alive. Disproportionately African American, black people, and brown people. Well, you know what? If 100,000, 200,000 of our grandparents, aunties, uncles were alive, that's why you vote. Because things can get worse or they can get better. And I think right now we've got a real stark choice. And I think Kamala Harris will be an excellent president. And I think Donald Trump has already proven he was not a very good president. And that should be enough. And I always tell folks, it takes half an hour. Y'all voting on American Idol. Y'all voting on the NBA All-Star game. You can't take half an hour?
They be sure voting on the Pro Bowl.
I know that's right.
You know, that brings up something very